Mark your calendar, guys, because 26th of September 2024 is the Hamster Kombat listing, which is tomorrow, just few hours from now, and things are getting juicy with the Hamster Kombat listing. Let's dive right into the Hamster Kombat price prediction. So in this video, will Hamster Kombat hit $0.25 at launch? Let's discuss all of these on-chain data and other parameters that we have at hand right now to predict the price of Hamster Kombat at listing. Watch this video all the way to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. The cryptocurrency market is a crazy and very volatile market with a lot of ups and downs. From prediction available, Hamster Kombat token is going to be 100 billion in total token supply. That is, the max supply of the token is going to be 100 billion total token supply. That have to be on coin market cap for verification, but that is the projection and that is a prediction from few data. Binance also have 3 billion of this very token, Hamster token right now, on their launch pool, which means this token is going to be in its billions. Not only that, Bybit have 620,000 token for their giveaway. Other exchanges also have some of this Hamster token for giveaway in their launch pool. This is very important. Now, a lot of persons are not happy right now because the big fish are taking their BNB, their FDUSD on Binance and getting the Hamster token in a very easy way, other than the normal tapping and performing tax on the Hamster mini app on Telegram that a lot of us do before the token allocation. Also, the same thing happening on Bybit, where people are taking trade with $1,000 minimum to get this Hamster Kombat token. But here is the deal: 100 billion token for Hamster is a fair game for a Web3 project right now as it is. But here is the kicker: can Hamster get a $1 at listing or get 0.25 at launch? In my opinion, I don't see Hamster at $1. Although anything is possible in crypto, this is a possible scenario, but personally, I don't see it at $1. And the reason is because if the circulating supply is half of the total supply, which is 50 billion, let's say Hamster have a total supply of 100 billion token and decide to put 50 billion into circulation, then that means Hamster at $1 is going to give Hamster $50 billion market capitalization at launch. And this is a possibility, but in the long time. Right now at launch, I don't see Hamster hit that very market cap mark. Let's take Cartesian for example on CoinMarketCap. If you look at the total supply of this very token, we have 1 billion total supply, which is the max supply. The total amount of token released into circulation was just 30.50%, which is 305 million token. And this token do all the way to the upside to $1. But come to think about it, Hamster is much way bigger than this because they've already given Binance 3 billion for launch pool. And if you also see or check your Hamster mini app on Telegram, you discover that the token allocation that has been given to you right now is more than the total amount locked, which means Hamster is going to release more token into circulation than the one that will be locked. So more token is going to be in circulation and the one that will be locked is going to be small. But let's just keep things simple. If you also look at Cartesian right here, you see that the max supply equal total supply and circulating supply is 30.50% multiplied by the current market price is giving you this market capitalization of $234.8 million. Mind you, Cartesian give Binance 90 million token for their launch pool. You can find that out on the Binance launch pool, which ended few days ago. And these are important things we need to take into consideration. Now, if you look at the markets that Cartesian is listed on right now, if you look at the SEX, you see Binance right here, you see OKX, you see Bybit, you see Gate.io, KuCoin, Mexi, BitGet. You see most of the tier 1 exchange also participated in Cartesian listing. And this is very important because you can put for the argument that if all the tier 1 exchanges get to list Hamster, which is what they want to do, then Hamster is going to explode. But take a look at Cartesian right at this very point. All the tier 1 exchange also get involved, and it hit $1, but the total supply is just 1 billion and the max supply 1 billion, but the circulating supply is 305 million token, which give that very high price value. Little supply, high price value, especially when it have a good community and a good team working behind the project. Another thing is Hamster have given Binance 3 billion of their token for launchpool and other exchanges as well, which means Hamster is going to have a more circulating supply compared to Cartesian, as we can see right at this point. So in as much as we know that Binance is going to list Hamster, OKX is going to list Hamster, Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, Mexi, all of these exchanges, they're going to list Hamster. Just few hours from now, we should not also expect a very high price like $1, $2. That is possible, but in my own opinion, that is not what I'm expecting for Hamster right now, because the cryptocurrency market is a very volatile market. It can pump up to that, but in my own opinion, that is what not I am expecting. Now, in my previous videos, I was talking about Hamster at 0.301 and 0.305. Now that I know a projected total supply, which is 100 billion, I can now say that, well, let's look at a possible scenario. Considering Cartesian right here, if Hamster put into circulation 30% of what they have as total supply, let's say for example, if their total supply is 100 billion token from the data source and they release 30% of that very 100 billion into circulation, that means they're releasing 30 billion Hamster token into circulation. And if you multiply that for Hamster at $0.1, that will give you a total market cap of $3 billion, which is very, very possible, but I don't think it's going to come true that way for Hamster to just get listed at 0.1 and then get a 3 billion market capitalization, because this is an airdrop, guys. A lot of person is going to want to sell off their portfolio to collect profit and move away to the next project. And then if you also look at Hamster at 0.05, okay, so 0.05, and you multiply it by 30 billion Hamster token, let's say for example 30% of the total supply, which is 100 billion, that is going to give you $1.5 billion of market capitalization for Hamster at listing. Is this possible? Yes, I believe 60%. This is very, very possible in my opinion. Now let's look at again Hamster at 0.01 multiplied by 30 billion Hamster token is going to give you $300 million in market capitalization for Hamster token. And this is very, very most likely possible. Now, in my opinion, I am looking at Hamster getting this listing between 0.01 and 0.05, and price can move a little bit to the upside approaching 0.1 but not $1. And I am not also looking at Hamster hitting 0.25. okay, the possibility exists after it has been launched on the long run. So it can hit 0.25 on the long run, especially in the heat of the bull market, but not $1 at launch. It can also hit $1 in the heat of the bull market as we approach the heat of the bull market by next year, but not 0.25 or $1 at launch. I am looking at right now, in my own opinion, to be very fair about this very token, and plus the fact that we already have little data that the total supply is going to be 100 billion Hamster token. And if they release 30% of that very total amount into circulation, which is 30 billion Hamster token, then I am now looking at 0.01 and 0.05 as the listing price. And then price can begin to move a little bit from there to the upside. And then normally price is going to come back down for correction. And then that will be what I am expecting for Hamster right now. So guys, congratulations anyway to all of us that have Hamster token right now. And let us be very, very hopeful. I believe the Hamster team is going to do something very amazing concerning this very token, because it's one of the most played game on the Web3 ecosystem. So let's pay attention, guys. A lot of hype about this very token, and I personally believe it's going to do well, but not at $1. That can come in the heat of the bull market. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video right now, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more amazing analysis like this and crypto content. Also check the channel for other crypto educational videos. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.